हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। लेट्स टेक वन शॉर्ट रिवीजन ऑफ चैप्टर 4 sorting materials into groups. First we will study properties of materials. Appearance. Metals look different from each other. Luster. Metals have luster. For example, iron, copper, aluminium. Hardness. हार्डनेस के बेस पे हम मटेरियल्स को दो टाइप में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, सॉफ्ट एंड हार्ड. हार्ड फॉर एग्जांपल वुड, स्टोन. सॉफ्ट फॉर एग्जांपल कॉटन. सॉल्युबल और इनसॉल्युबल. सम सब्सटेंसेस completely dissolve in water are known as soluble, but some do not dissolve in water are insoluble. Examples of soluble: salt in water, and examples of insoluble: sand in water. Oxygen gas dissolved in water is very important for the survival of the plants and animals that live in water. Objects may float or sink in water. Wood floats on the surface of water, but stone sinks in water. Transparency. On this base, substances are of three types. Transparent, the substances through which things can be seen, for example air, water and glass. Opaque, the substances through which we are not able to see, for example closed wooden box, metal container. Third, translucent, the substances through which objects can be seen but not clearly. For example, oily patch on a paper, torch light passing through our palm. Now we will do NCERT solutions. Name 5 objects which can be made from wood. These are table, chair, bed, almirah, window, doors. Question number 2. Select those objects from the following which shine. Glass bowl, steel spoon. Question number 3. Match the objects given below with the materials from which they could be made. Book, it is made up of paper. Tumbler is made up of glass. Chair is made up of wood. Toy is made up of plastic. And shoes are made up of leather. Now question number 4. फॉल्स और ट्रू बताएंगे इसमें. स्टोन इज ट्रांसपेरेंट वाइल ग्लास इज ओपेक, इट इज फॉल्स. ए नोटबुक हैज़ लस्टर वाइल इरेजर डज नॉट, फॉल्स. chalk dissolves in water, false. A piece of wood floats on water, true. Sugar does not dissolve in water, false. Oil mixes with water, false. Sand settles down in water, true. Vinegar dissolves in water, true. Now question number 5. Given below are name of the some objects and materials. Group them as round shaped and other shapes. Round shaped objects are basketball, orange, ball, globe, apple, pitcher. And other shapes are water, sugar. Now eatables and non-eatables. Eatables are sugar, orange, apple, and non-eatables are basketball, globe, earthen pitcher. Now question number 6. List all the items known to you that float on water. Check and see if they will float on oil or kerosene. Plastic, wood, thermocol, feather, matchstick, all these float on water and they will also float on oil. Now question number 7. Find the odd one out from the following. A, chair, bed, table, baby, cupboard. इसमें से odd word होगा baby. B, rose, jasmine, boat, marigold, lotus. इसमें से odd word है boat. C, aluminium, iron, copper, silver, sand. Odd word is sand. D, sugar, salt, sand, copper sulfate. Odd word होगा इसमें sand. Okay, bye bye बच्चों. Have a nice day.